Another banger.
Hey guys, it's your girl rareafrican. I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do a video, basically a review on wish.com products. So wish.com actually reached out to me and offered me to review a few of their products, and I was able to choose some products that I thought would be fun to review. So wish.com is basically a site where they sell pretty much anything and everything. They sell tasers on there. I saw tasers, I saw curtains, I saw home decor, lingerie, makeup, makeup brushes, lashes, as you can see here. Even that cute little Polaroid camera, they were selling it on there. So definitely you guys need to check out wish.com and see what you can find and also what you can get. Guys, I'm really surprised they even got lashes off of wish.com, but I want to try them. Okay, these lashes look amazing and I feel like they're gonna look bomb on me, and hopefully they feel very comfortable on the man. So when I found out wish.com had some lashes, I was just like, let me try them, let me see if these lashes are it. So the lashes, I got it for, I think about, let's see, the lashes I got it for $7. Wow. And then $5 shipping. $7. Actually, that's not even bad. $7 you get all this. That's not bad. Like, you get a lot of hairs. So I bought 5 different style of lashes off of wish.com, and I'm going to do a lash haul review for y'all. I know you guys love my lash haul videos, so I feel like let me try some wish.com lashes so you guys can see how that looks. Let me see if I like it, because some of these styles, all these styles that I picked out, they look really good, y'all. Like this one, I'm very excited to try on. So let's go ahead and get started and try this on. So the first pair, I'm gonna try on the one that I said I'm really excited to try on. So this is in the style 706. And as always, I always add all the links into the description box below, so you guys can also purchase them as well. But yeah, $7, and you get, how many lashes do you get? So you get 14 lashes. 14 lashes for $7, guys. 14 lashes. Well, individual lashes, 14 individuals. So basically, 7 pairs of lashes for $7. So basically $1 for a lash. Okay, $1 for lashes. So this is basically $1 for lashes. You get 14, so basically it will be 7 for a pair together, and then yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal. Like, I'm not mad. That's a pretty good deal. And then the shipping, since I did express, of course, the shipping was $5. Let's go ahead and try these lashes, girl. So one thing I really don't like already with lashes like these, I wish they were like single, you know, and like that single case for each pair, but I'm not gonna be mad at it. It just makes me, it gets a little bit difficult for me to figure out which one goes on which eye. So let's go ahead and figure that out. So the first pair I'm trying on, it's 706, and they look like this. Alright, and don't mind my hair, guys. Washed it. I need to wash it. I haven't washed it yet, so I find it. So I think what I would do is just find the part that is just basically shorter on the left end of it, and then just put it on the opposite side, and then the side that's short on the right end on my left eye. So let me just do it like that. So immediately I can tell the band of these lashes are definitely lightweight and a little thin, which is not too bad. At least it's not thick, and I hate thick bands because then they get all scratchy and they're not comfortable. It's very natural. I don't think this is 25 millimeters at all. I think it's like that regular size. So yeah. These are actually really cute. I like how they're just like subtle and it's cute and flirty and it's not too much. Definitely like these. So these are the 706. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. So the next one I am going to try on is in the style 710 and it looks like this. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so here's 710. I feel like I placed it very odd on this eye. This eye looks pretty good. But yeah, this is 710. I wish the inner corners, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me shut up, right? I don't know what I think about them, but I definitely placed this one a little bit weird in my opinion. It looks too like weird compared to there. And I'm not mad at these lashes. These lashes are not bad at all. Very cute, very natural and flirty. I feel like they're I feel like they go up like too much like that. But it's not it's not terrible. I'm not mad at it. It's like as if I put mascara on my regular eyes. What do you guys think though? That is 710, so let's go on to the next one. So the next lash that I'm trying on is 708. This looks pretty light. Very light, supernatural, and not too thick. I honestly like the thick lashes. So I'm kind of curious on how this is gonna look. I don't know if I'm gonna like it now. Let's see. Yeah, these are very thin. I feel like you guys can barely see it on the camera. This is me with no lashes. This is me with the lashes. This is very thin, very natural. I guess this would be great for the girls who don't like the dramatic lashes, like who like the light, wispy, very natural, just kind of like, you know, I don't want to put mascara on today. I just want to put on a very light lash and just go on about my day. Those kind of lashes. That's what this is. I'm not upset, but I definitely do like my long lashes that help me fly away, okay? That's what I like. But this is not too bad. I honestly don't want to put up the second one because this is not my taste, okay? It's not my taste, it's not my style, so I'm avoiding it. But this is basically what it looks like for those who do like it. So the next lash I'm trying on is in the style 707. Looks like that. So these look long. This is 707. It looks very natural, I would say that. Not glam, not glam. Let's go ahead to our last pair. It's 705. Looks like this. These look really nice. Very wispy. I'm excited to try. So this one's not looking too shabby. This one is definitely, well, I would say a natural lash for me. Like if I don't want to do anything too dramatic or crazy, I really like these. So this one's very cute and flirty. I actually really like this, and I like how it's not OC long like the 25mm lashes, and this just helps give you a little break if you want to do something natural, because natural don't hurt, you know. This is real cute. I actually really like this a lot. I feel like it adds more to my eyes. I don't know, I like it a lot, you know. It's not overpowering my eyelids and everything. So this one's definitely my favorite. So that's pretty much it from all the lashes that I purchased from wish.com. I must say 705, 706, and 710 have to be my favorite. 707 and 708 were definitely the more lighter ones, very thin and not as dramatic as I want them to be. Even for a natural lash, I still want to have some of that drama drama in my eyes when it comes to that, but I like 3 out of the 2, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I feel like purchasing lashes from wish.com is such a great deal, honestly, especially if you go to school, you know, go to college or go to high school and anything like that, and you know, you don't want to spend too much. And also, if you need your lashes quick, definitely order them from wish.com because they came in fast. Like with express shipping, they came in very fast. So I definitely appreciate that. But I like how you get 7 pairs, so you can go over, wear these like multiple times, and you have extra and extra and extra. So I really like that. So yeah, that's it for the lash haul. And now I want to go ahead and just jump right into the other products that I purchased off of wish.com. A few of the other pieces that I got was actually the Polaroid instant film. I needed more for my Polaroid, and I'm so glad they had it on wish.com. It's actually this 20 sheets per box, and normally that goes for like $20, but I got 2 for $23 on wish.com, and I also paid express shipping for it as well, just so I could get here quicker as well. You know, express shipping is fast. I'm gonna say it's fast. So the other item that I purchased is actually a 3, 4, 5 tier home living room wooden shelf. I actually really like this item. I needed more furniture in my apartment just a bit, so I'm really glad I was able to find this 4-tier organizer shelf, like so I could put little cute knickknacks on there, you know, pictures and stuff like that, and also just like, what else, you know, plants, cute little things like that. And yeah, it wasn't expensive at all. I got that shelf for $82, and I would say it's actually a pretty good quality too, not gonna lie. And also the shipping was $15, and I got that in express. So I'm really glad I was able to find a furniture shelf case thing like this on wish.com. I wasn't expecting it at all, and there's a lot of good reviews on this shelf, so I'm really glad I was able to find that, because I was like trying to find something to fill up my apartment, and I'm really glad I got that. It's really good, and I feel like it kind of adds to my living room as well. I was trying to decorate my living room more of like a mid-century kind of look, so yeah, just something chill, neutral with greens, you know, plants and everything. I still need to get more plants, but that's the kind of look I'm going for. And then the last item that I got from wish.com is actually a bamboo 3-tier shoe bench. I thought this would be very cute, especially for that little entryway that I have in front of my door in my apartment. I didn't like how my shoes were just out everywhere. I don't like that, so I was able to find a 3-tier shoe bench on wish.com for the price of $30. Like, that's like amazing. And the shipping was $15 because I got an express shipping, and it will be a little bit cheaper if you get a regular shipping, but if you want to quit just like me, then get the express shipping. But I really love it. As you can see in the video, honestly, it was easy to build. It came with that little L-shaped tool that help you like screw on screws instead of you bringing out a 2-box or even going out to buy one. So definitely I really like that, and I would recommend for you guys to purchase as well if you guys need like a shoe bench, because that was very cute, and I needed more of that wood rustic kind of look into my living area because I have like a wood desk. And then I got that 3-tier shelf organizer, and I have a TV stand that's like a dark wood, and now I got the shoe bench and it fits with it. I'm really glad I was able to find something that fit that aesthetic that I was doing. I really enjoyed purchasing from wish.com, and I recommend you guys to go ahead and check their site out as well. And without further ado, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be next week. Bye.